So the new iPhone software upgrade is here. It's called iOS 26 and it's packed with great features. It makes your phone look like a new phone. So in this video, I want to take you through what are the changes that you expect to see in your phone and how is that going to help you and how can you make most of the new changes that are coming from Apple. Okay, let's first talk about the liquid glass look. I mean, you've probably seen a lot of videos online talking about the liquid glass look and feel of this new iOS 26 upgrade. From widgets to control center, everything is transparent with this frosted glass look. It makes your old phone look completely brand new because everything has changed. Personally, I love the wallpaper. And there's something about this transparent look that got me interested right from the day one. Okay, let's talk about Siri. Now, Siri just got even smarter. You can now ask it multiple things at once. For example, find that photo from yesterday and send it to Sarah. And Siri will handle everything in one go. It also understands follow-ups better, so you don't have to repeat yourself. So if you're someone who was using Siri before, believe me, this will change how you interact with Siri. Okay, let's talk about the messaging app. If you use iMessage, you're going to love this one because iMessage got a big boost this time. You can now schedule messages within iMessage. So if you don't want to forget to send an important message on a particular day, well, now you won't. There's also a tone rewrite option if you want your text to sound more formal or more casual. And yes, Apple's own new AI emojis called Genmoji are also here. Okay, now let's talk about changes within FaceTime, particularly around translations. And this one is amazing. You know, if you're like me and you've got families abroad and they've got relatives who speak multiple different languages, it's always hard to communicate. Now you can speak in your language and FaceTime will subtitle to the other person on their screen with the language they understand. It's perfect for families, friends, anyone living abroad who don't speak the same language as you. Okay, the next feature I want to talk about within iOS 26, I've been waiting for this for so long, and that's the Face ID lock with an app. As an example, I got very critical notes in my Notes app, and I don't want any of those notes to be deleted accidentally when someone uses my phone, like my family members. Now I can lock any of the app using my Face ID, so no one can get into the app without my Face ID. Okay, the next change you will notice is within the Control Center. Control Center has been completely redesigned. You can now add, remove, and rearrange toggles however you like. Want brightness on the left, Wi-Fi on the bottom, totally up to you. Right, so next one is Apple Intelligence. If you use Apple Intelligence, then Apple brings that intelligence even closer to your iPhone, but in a way that's actually useful. You can create fun emojis with text prompts, generate quick images, and get suggestions for what you want to do next. Like sharing a photo you just edited. And best part is built to keep your data private. Okay, so those are all great features that you might or might not use, but there are something that you use every single day. So let's talk about everyday utilities. Okay, there are a bunch of smaller updates that makes your life easier. For example, Safari now blocks more trackers automatically. Notes can transcribe audio recordings live. The Health app now tracks moods, and Maps finally got offline mode so you can navigate even with no signal. And that's pretty handy when you're traveling. So that was iOS 26 that you just installed on your phone in a nutshell. You get a completely new design, you get updated Siri, and better messaging experience, a better FaceTime experience, and some small everyday upgrades that makes the life a little bit easier. Let me know in the comments below what are your favorite iOS 26 updates. If you like what you watched today, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for staying all the way to the end. It means a lot to me. Have a good one and I'll see you next week.